Thanks, AM. All right. Who would like to go? Gershman, I'm just going to start off with you first, since you're my buddy, but Dinesh is still my favorite. Go ahead, Gershman. It's on you.
Absolutely. Thank you, Chris. And yes, Ash, we believe you. First thing is first. Uh,
Amen.
we, we believe in Ash. And I'll say something which I think I have. I don't know. I have predicted this thing, or I don't know why. Because our leaders are here. Dinesh is here. Dr. KD Shukla is there. Mukund is here. Neeraj is here. Majid is here. And at one point of time, way back in 2021, and then again on 2022, 2023, even 2024 also, I have told these leaders, because I'm from India, I know the psyche and the system. I have already told to Dr. KD and everybody that something is not good, because there is a gap. Something is happening over there, and Ash is getting something else. Otherwise, on passive would have come much earlier. And every time we had some hot talks also with Dinesh Kade. Sir, you don't know, sir, you are talking like this. I said, no, there is something which is not, I think, communication wise or something. And I normally tell, because we are now open, I can tell this
Of
thing, that
course. Absolutely.
because we Indian, I know the psyche. We directly want to talk to the boss. We don't need intermediate or somebody in between.
Correct.
So
Yeah.
there is letter all the employees in this our organization, they want to listen this thing. And I same thing told to our leaders also, that our Ash should come directly in between, without any mediator, without any this thing, and you will see how the things will happen quickly. And as thank you for you, now you are the in charge, and you are directly communicating with the employees. And Dr. KD Shukla is smiling, because this thing actually we many time so I suggested, and they also know this thing, that yes, I was saying something, but sometimes because there is a gap between India and Canada and USA, so something when we talk straightforward, our Indian friends sometimes they get something differently, right? But it's not a like a bad thing, but it's a good thing that at some point of time we realize this thing. And we are so thankful, Ash, that you are doing everything right. And we know things are coming, and coming much sooner. I can tell everybody, right, that is coming much sooner, because Mr. Ash is directly now dealing with the system. There's no mediator, there's nobody in between. So when boss is directly directing doing the things, he will do 100% right, because now he is getting the information directly from the source. So this is what I'm happy, and I think most of the people who are engaged with on-passive, including staff, I know maybe they are listening, they are also happy that they are interacting directly with you. And this is what should have been done, and this is there now, and we are happy, leaders are happy. And one thing in last webinar also I have told that we all are so positive, Ash. Everybody, every founder in on passive, they are so positive, they are not going anywhere. And this is a unprecedented thing happened. Otherwise people run away from the things when they are not earning, when they need something, they run away from the system, but everybody is here. This is one of the main USP of on passive, I can say. And on passive will never run away, never. The whole companies of this world are going to run away, mark my word, but on passive is not going to run away anywhere. So thank you, Ash. And we always appreciate you, we agree with you, what are you doing. And we will be always remain here, and always support you, because this is the only solution. That's it. Nothing is there in the market. This is the only solution. Back to you, Chris.
Wow.